So I have been using Xodo with my students to annotate over PDFs this past school year, and it has been great. It is super user-friendly and easy to use. So the site is Xodo.com, and you see down here there's a Launch Now button, so I'll go ahead and click it. So you have a few different ways to upload your file. You have local files, so what's on your computer currently. If you pull anything from your Google Drive or Dropbox, I'm just going to choose local file for now. And I'm going to click on that PDF there and click open. So you can see right there, very easy, user-friendly. So obviously this is hard to read right now, so there is a little plus button to zoom in. And so that makes it a little bit easier for your students to read. Now for this, there's multiple choice and there's some true and false things for them to answer. So up here, there's a little tool, freehand tool. I'll click the black marker. And so I can go ahead and circle whatever may be the correct answer there. For the true and false, I can go over to the text box, create myself a quick little text box. You can see it says insert text here, which is good for the students to see. And I'll just go ahead and type in true. And fairly easy to use. Now, when your students are done, if you notice too, I've not had to log into anything. I can just go ahead and click save. And it automatically went ahead and downloaded what I just did. So if I go ahead and click it, you can see there is what I have marked on my PDF, and now your students are ready to turn this into you.